Hello, I'm Bob and welcome to this innovation video. It's all about our urban wastewater strategy. In PR14 we set out a really bold ambition to turn all of our waste into products at our sewage works. In the film you're going to see about our exciting test bed at Redditch Sewage Treatment Works. You'll hear about our great relationship with Cranfield University, and not only that, you'll hear how we've attracted lots of external funding to help with our strategic intent. Sit back and enjoy.
The urban vision that we had was really focused on product recovery. So we were looking at where can we extract more value from the basic day-to-day job of treating sewage. And for many, many years now we've been recovering energy from sewage sludge, and we've started looking at things like phosphate recovery at our Nottingham sewage works. Our vision was to move beyond that. What other products can we get to? So cellulose is an example we're looking at, bioplastics. If we can get algal treatment for phosphate to work, the algae can then be used as a raw material for biodiesel. So there's a raft of opportunities out there, but the vision is that those only really work on our biggest urban centres, where you can take advantage of the economies of scale.
I'm Pete Vale. I'm the technical lead in Severn Trent Water's innovation team. This is Spurnal Sewage Treatment Works. We're in an old corner of it, some old primary settlement tanks, and we're in the process of knocking these down, and this will become our Spurnal testbed facility. We've been sponsoring academic research into various innovative sewage treatment processes, one of which offers the opportunity for us to turn our energy intensive sewage treatment processes into energy neutral, potentially even energy positive treatment processes that also recover the valuable material that's in sewage.
It's a real benefit to work collaboratively with Cranfield University to create scientific insight. We can take these scientific breakthroughs and apply them to our wastewater treatment works to deliver our wastewater treatment strategy to create energy neutral resource recovery treatment plans. Research like this doesn't happen overnight, and we've been investing in this research with Cranfield for over a decade, initially through lab scale and then pilot scale work. And we're now at this really exciting stage where we can take the outputs of all this work and build a test bed at our Spurnal wastewater treatment works to really prove these technologies in anger.
So anaerobic treatment is a fundamentally different way of treating sewage. The conventional way is to blow compressed air into big concrete tanks, and this is a really effective way of treating sewage, but it is very energy intensive. Anaerobic treatment also uses bacteria, but is in an environment where we don't need air, so uses a lot less energy and also produces methane. And we can take that methane and burn it and convert it into electricity. We're funding most of this investment ourselves, but we've accessed some European research funding from a couple of European research programs. And it's not only the financial contribution, it's also accessing that huge wealth of technical expertise that exists right across Europe.
Unlocking external funding at Severn Trent is important in a number of different ways, which will ultimately be for the benefit of our customers. Through external funding, we've been able to develop and introduce some really exciting programs. The first one of those is NextGen, which is a collaboration with partners across Europe, an £8.9 million programme which is allowing us to introduce a game-changing technology into Severn Trent. We'll be the first in Northern Europe. The second programme is Smart Plant, again a European collaboration across Europe, focusing on the extraction of valuable materials. The third programme is called WOW, and that's going to allow us to develop a programme where we can analyse site by site all of our waste treatment sites and be able from that to determine what materials we can extract and typically develop markets for those materials. It's really important that when we seek external funding that it's aligned to our strategic themes as an organisation. And as part of that, we're not only looking at partnering with some of the very best organisations within the UK, but also throughout Europe and outside as well. So we're looking at partnering with organisations in Japan, South Africa, Israel and beyond.